Welcome. Let's talk about how to apply cream inside the rectum for the treatments of fissure and hemorrhoids. Applying cream inside the anus is typically done for treating hemorrhoids and anal fissures. Step-by-step guide to applying the cream inside the rectum. First one, wash your hands. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water to prevent introducing any bacteria into the area. Prepare the cream. Check the instruction on the cream. Products come with applicator or nozzle. It helps to apply cream inside anus easily. If the cream comes with a nozzle or applicator, follow the instruction on how to attach it to the tube and how far to insert it. If there is no applicator, you can use your clean finger or gloved finger to gently apply the cream inside the anus. Get into a comfort position. Find a comfortable position where you can easily access the area to apply the cream. Lie on your left or right side with your knees slightly bent and apply the cream by inserting the nozzle into the rectum. Otherwise, you can take a next position standing with one foot on a stool or elevated surface. Next position is laying on your side with your knees pulled up towards your chest, fetal position. If you are not comfortable, you can take other position, squatting position, if you feel more comfortable. Apply the cream. Apply a small amount of cream inside the anus, aiming to coat the area that needs treatments. Do not over apply. Thin layer is usually sufficient. For extra relief, you can apply the little more cream with your finger around the area of anus. Thank you for watching.